This fixes your cough sounding like a 2001 Honda Civic your cousin swears is perfectly fine. Let's fix your weak-ass situation. Grab an orange and stab it with a fork like it ruined your week. Top off, clean slice, salt on. Microwave that chaotic bitch for 2 minutes till it's steaming like a Toxic X. Pull it out. Honey on. Now squeeze the juice. It kills your cough dead. It melts mucus fast. It clears your throat instantly. 1 cup, and your cold disappears like it saw your search history. Follow fuck you health, because your body deserves honesty, not hashtags.